So you're considering a hair transplant or you've already got one and you're wondering how much time it's going to take to see your results. You read online that it takes anywhere from 4 months to 2 years. And that's exactly true. So let's talk through this process and why it could take such a very amount of time. Right after your transplant, your hairs have gone to a little bit of shock from the procedure. They're going to go into the resting phase and they're going to stay here from anywhere from 1 to 6 months. In order to get back into the growth phase, these hairs have to shed. During that shedding phase, the hairs will fall out. You'll likely notice them and it may be a little scary, but it's very normal. That phase itself can last another 1 to 6 months. Once the hairs get back in the growth phase, you're usually sitting around the 4 to 12 month mark after your procedure, and you're gonna see little sprouts of hairs coming up. However, these hairs may not look absolutely normal. They may grow and fall out, they may come in thin, they may come in a little bit curly. However, eventually the hairs will start to grow relatively normally. And notice that the first couple hairs that come out to full length are gonna be a little dry and frizzy. That's because the oil gland has not kicked in yet to make these hairs lubricated and smooth. Once the oil gland kicks in, these hairs become softer. Now the big difference here is depending on what technology you use to get the procedure. If you got a basic FUE, you can expect about 20% of your hairs to become smooth. If you got PUE or pilosebaceous unit extraction, we took the extra effort to transfer the oil gland with the follicle, you can rest assured that most of your hairs are gonna turn out smooth and very natural looking. So there you have it. It's gonna take 4 months to 2 years to see your final result.